Hey everyone, said it all you cars. This is our 2010 Audi A4. It's a 2 litre TFSi Quattro, 6-speed manual, 73,000 miles, 8 services I think, 2 owners from memory, it's all in the advert. It's ibis white with the black interior. It's an S-Line special edition, so it's a nice spec. It's got the 19-inch Le Mans style wheels, which are all in really nice condition. It's just had recent brakes, it's got Pirelli tyres all round. Very clean, as you can see. Rear parking sensors. It's got your rear LED lights. Your reg numbers there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. Really clean car, considering the age. It does drive very well. The tyres, as I say, all really good Pirellis. Got your xenon lights, etc. Bang & Olufsen audio, DAB. Good sized boot. Floor mats in there, and your load net and split fold rear seats. No nasty smells or anything. A leather cloth mix interior with Isofix, centre armrest and rear electric windows. And the same in the front. Again, all very clean. No stains to the seats. The cameras always make it look like these cloth seats are a bit dirty, but they are not. Heated mirrors, electric windows, auto lights and wipers. Your Bang & Olufsen stereo, as I mentioned. 73,369 miles, and let's just crack the car up. Oh, she's just getting a bit low from having the doors open today. But yeah, no warning lights, no nasties. Just ready for some fuel. Has got cruise control and your multifunction steering wheel. Your Audi concert stereo with your DAB radio there, FM and AM as well. Also got your media with your auxiliary input and your Bluetooth telephone, and all your car settings are in there for you. Dual climate control, 6-speed manual box, cup holders, sliding armrest, auxiliary in there. Handbooks are in the glove box. It is a Quattro. It's got your auto dipping mirror. Hello, that's me. And that's it. Really clean car, great value. Give us a call, get involved, 01509 267 111. Finance possibly be arranged. Limited on lenders with the age of the vehicle, but give us a try. If you do require finance, we'll see what we can do. Thanks for watching.